Alright, this video is about arithmetic sequences. So first we need a definition of an arithmetic sequence. That just means it's a sequence whose consecutive terms have a common difference. Either a positive difference, meaning you're adding the same thing, or a negative difference, meaning you subtract the same thing every time. So first of all, you'll need to determine if a sequence is arithmetic, and if it is, find D, which is the common difference. So look at the difference in the terms. 1 to 13, I added 12. 13 to 25, I added 12. I added 12, and so on and so forth. I'm adding 12, so D is a positive 12, and yes, this is arithmetic. Okay. Number 2, what are the first 5 terms, and is it arithmetic? So to find the first 5 terms, I plug in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I plug in a 1 for n, 1 times 5 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. Put in a 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 is 18. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28. So there's my first 5 terms, and I notice I'm adding 5 each time. So D is 5. This is a yes, and D is 5. Now the next skill you need to know is how to find the formula for these sequences. It's really not that hard. There is an equation to use, and this is the way it will appear on your formula charts. A sub n equals a sub 1, which is the first term in the sequence, plus D, your common difference, times n minus 1. Remember, m is the location in the sequence that it is. So to find the formula, I need a sub 1 and I need D. Okay? The formula will have n in it. That's normal. So I do this. A sub n equals 5 plus negative 10 times n minus 1. Now remember, positive and negative is going to make that negative. And I'm going to distribute that negative 10. So it's going to be negative 10n. Negative 10 times negative 1 is a plus 10. Then I clean it up. So I have negative 10n plus 15. All right. So notice your formula has an n in it. It's a generic formula to find any term in the sequence. So that's okay. Let's try this again. Find the formula a sub n. Here's your first term, and here's D. So a sub n equals negative 2 plus 4 times n minus 1. Distribute your 4. So it's going to be 4n minus 6. There's my equation. Look at number 5. This is different. It doesn't give me D, but it gives me the first term and the second term. I can figure out D. What happened to a 3 to get me to 10? Well, I added 7, so it's a positive 7. And now I can write the formula. A sub n is the first term plus D times n minus 1. Distribute and clean it up. So 7n minus 4 is my formula. Last but not least, what if I need to know a specific term of the sequence? Well, no big deal. First of all, to use that formula, you got to know D, right? Well, think about it. To go from negative 2 to positive 3, what happened? We added 5. So that's my D. So now I'm going to use that formula to find the 20th term. So a sub 20 is going to equal the first term plus D, which we said was 5, times 20 minus 1. Don't distribute the 5, but do the math here. So negative 2 plus 5, 20 minus 1 is 19. When I multiply 5 times 19, I get 95. So that tells me that a sub 20 is 93 when I combine like terms. And there's how you find the whatever term it is you need, okay, using that formula. Hope that makes sense, and we'll see you in class.